Hi my dear students, welcome to our eVidya. Students, we have learnt about two different diseases, and that is communicable disease or non-communicable disease. Okay. So why it is happen? In the insufficiency disease also we have discussed, but today we are going to discuss a very important things which will give information about how our human beings got rescued from different very dangerous disease in earlier past. Okay, so who are the main scientists and who are the person who discovered different types of vaccines, that is called medicines, through which the whole human beings or whole humankind got a new life to their new environment. So let's start, students. So first we will discuss, students, Edward Jenner. Edward Jenner was the first doctor to discover smallpox could be prevented by process of known as vaccination. Okay, so which now is going on in our country for corona. The government is provided vaccine to everybody. Okay, through which we can protect from this disease through vaccination. If we take vaccination, the disease will never ever enter to our body. If we enter, it will not damage to our body. So that is called vaccination. So like this man very earlier, the doctor is called Edward Jenner was the first doctor discovered smallpox vaccination. Okay, for smallpox is a very communicable disease. Last class I told you that is the smallpox, students. I think here is not there. Okay, smallpox disease which is communicable disease, we can, and it is very dangerous also, we can prevent it by the taking vaccination. Okay, so who discovered? Edward Jenner. Then we will come to in 19th century Louis Pasteur, that is developed a similar treatment for the rabies. Rabies is one type of virus disease, student. It will spread through the from the rabbit only. Okay, mouse we can say rabbit. That rabbit is that disease will called rabies, and that vaccine who discovered? Louis Pasteur. Louis Pasteur only discovered that medicine for rabies. Clear, student? These days infant and little children are given vaccine to prevent specific disease. Nowadays, you know, student, when small kids will give that vaccine that calls polio. Nowadays, you know, everybody will take that polio from small children. So that also one type of vaccination which protect the children from different disease. One disease is called polio. So we will take polio vaccine in earlier childhood too. Okay. Health as a term reflects a person's physical and mental condition. Yes or no? Correct. If by any chance we are born with physical disability means, students, when in our born, when any kind of parts of our body, if it will not work properly, that is called physical disability. Or due to some unfortunate incident, we suffer loss of physical health, we can overcome the challenges through our mental strength. Okay, we can see if something happened to our body, one part of our body parts, then we can overcome with this challenge through our mental strength. If our mental is good, if it is mental are working in proper way, then with this challenge we can overcome this type of disease. Nowadays you can see, students, many in social media, many kind of peoples are there in our environment or in our society or in this world also. They don't have hand and leg. After all, they are in very creativity person, they are a very talented person, and they sold to the environment without to hand, without to leg also, they can achieve everything they are in their dream in their life. Okay students, so this is one type of challenge who having in their brain, that is called brain. If your brain working properly, then without physical activity also we can achieve this dream with a big challenge. So we all know Stephen Hawking, a great physicist and mathematician. He suffered from a motor neuron disease. Okay, motor neuron disease, you know student, you can see this picture, which slowly paralyzed him over the decades. He operated only from a wheelchair and used device that assist him to even speak. Okay, he cannot speak also, he cannot walk, he cannot sleep, he cannot be like this always for a wheelchair. Okay, he only used a device to speak, but he cannot open his mouth. Okay, but his brain till it is function. Before 2 years he died, I think 1 year he died, but until that day he lived and he did every work. He is a great scientist and physicist also, mathematician. And okay, so how he challenged this? Because of the physical or mental condition. Okay, because his mental is very proper work and it works properly till his death. Clear? So yet he did not let his disability come in the way the conducting path-breaking research in the field of astrophysics and cosmology. He died on 14th March student in 2018. 14 March 2018 he died, but until that student he did everything in his life. He researched different type of research because he is the scientist of astrophysics and cosmology. Okay, but till he did not give up because his mental was good and he took a challenge in his life to achieve his dreams. Clear students? See, he cannot speak, walk, do anything, but his mind only working. Because of some device he can do everything. Okay students, so this is the very beautiful person in this world. When Helen Keller, and it is another one of person, was barely 2 years old, she fell ill and she lost her sense sight. Okay, he cannot see also, she does not see, hearing, speech, but she overcome this disability and went to become a 20th century's leading author, lecturer and political activities. She was also the first deaf blind person to earn a Bachelor of Arts degree. Okay, you can see these girls in this picture student. He cannot speak, he cannot see, he cannot hear also, but after that she was a good leading author, lecturer, political activities. That means student, if a person's mental condition is work proper way, then if you have a challenge in your life, then you can do anything whatever you want. Okay, and physical or other part of your body, if you will not work properly, then you can take a challenge with your good mental condition, then you can achieve. Okay, so they also sought to this environment, to this world, we can do anything whatever we want. Okay, so our brave Monica. So we will discuss about our Monica. She was a brave girl. So Monica Moore lost both her arms in a train incident. Okay, Monica, he lost 2 hands in her hand. Okay, when she was 17 years old, but seeing her mental strength, you can see the mental strength, everybody's mental strength. Okay, and determination, her doctor were encouraged to fit her with a special prosthetic limbs, and now she is able to write and use her fingers to her daily course. Okay, so that means he used a plastic hands, and with the strong determination she did everything, and till now she is writing with her fingers of her daily course. Understood students? That means student, it is the one type of motivation to all our human beings, that if some parts of our body damaged in born or by some if some happened in our born or some unfortunately by accident, then we can achieve our dreams, or we can do a great things to our humankind with our strong determination, with the help of our proper mental condition. If our mental function is very good, it will work properly, then we can do whatever we want. Okay, so this is the some little information which I gave you students. I hope all of you clear, and we will also follow this rule and hygienes and vitamins. You have to eat properly, and food you have to eat properly. You should maintain your body, because our body feel good, then we can do every work in proper way. If our whole body will work properly, then our mental condition also work properly, then we will become a good person with a good life towards our environment. So you can take care of everybody. So thank you students, take care yourself, okay, with a good knowledge, with a good hygiene. So thank you very much.